Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I'm reaching out to you guys today because I noticed that you guys have some new Facebook ads, and I was just kind of taking a look at them and trying to figure out what your intent is here. This one is okay. I know that I'm supposed to call you if I want your service, but these ones here you're sending them to a blog article, and that's kind of confusing to me. Are you guys paying for ads to get more people to read your blogs? Are you trying to rank your blog article? I guess what I don't understand what the point of these two are. These probably aren't going to get you customers if that's what you're trying to do. Um, so you might want to look at your ad copies here. The other reason I am reaching out to you today is because I thought maybe you could use some free help, some free tips and tricks that you can use to get more organic leads. So you don't have to rely on writing copy and paying ads. So we are on your website here. Now, your website should be like a virtual cash machine, meaning 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture that traffic. So looking at your website looks nice. Looks like you have a separate page for each of your services, which is awesome. Hopefully every single one of these services have their own original content and their own local keywords on these pages. Google does not like duplicate content, and you can't use the same keyword on multiple pages. I do see service area pages, so take a look at that real quick. Service area pages are important. You want them for every area that you service that has search volume. Experts in. Oh. That was what I was afraid of. So, you do want service area pages for every area that has search volume, but they do need their original content and they do need to be focused around the local buyer intent keywords with a location. So this should be Katy water damage restoration, um, fire damage restoration Katy, or Katy, Texas, something along those lines. You don't. It defeats the purpose. Just putting the name Katy in there that isn't necessarily going to help you. You do need exact match keywords. Let me take a look at another one just to make sure it's not the exact same. It is. Okay, so you have the exact same content on every page for your service areas, only switching out the service area locations. So that defeats the whole purpose. Google's not going to index you like they should. And the whole purpose is to be found in those areas. So you definitely have to work on those pages. Let's see here. Interlinking is good. Yeah, I'm still not seeing any good keyword usage. So your homepage is supposed to be a like brief summary of each of your services, a little bit about your business, etc., but based around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your services right now. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be searching for. So you need to make sure that you're using exact match, and not everybody searches the same way. So all of your keywords being something like best damage restoration company in Katy, Texas, that's not how it really works. You're gonna have water damage restoration Katy, Katy fire damage, um, similar to that. So you really need to focus on those local buyer intent keywords and content. You need about 1,500 words on this home page focused around that content. That's 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. Every single page needs to be original and have their own keywords. Let's look at your top competitor for water damage in Katy. We got All Dry USA. So, yes, they are a franchise, but no, you are not competing against the entire franchise. You're only competing against this Katy area. And you are at an advantage because franchisees cannot modify their website and content to actually go after the right keywords. So you guys can, and you guys can take advantage of this. But you're going to need a lot more content. As you can see, they have a ton of content. You always need more than your competitors. Whatever your competitors are doing, you're going to need more of. So yeah, you're going to need the content tweaked. You're going to have to go after the proper keywords. Then you're going to have to support your website with SEO if you want to be found. Looking here, you have a score of a 1.9 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google doesn't trust your website. That's 100% because of your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal. You only want authoritative ones related to your business and do follow so that they share the power of the higher sites. You only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, so everything else Google says is spam. You only have 5 do follow links, so only 5 of these links are helping your website. You have been indexed for 127 keywords, but you're only getting 5 people to your website on average per month, so you're missing out on a ton of potential customers by not being optimized. Looking here at your organic keywords, you don't have any keywords on the first page of Google. So you definitely have to work on these keywords and getting backlinks to them so that you can rank them to the first page in Google. If we look at your competitor, doesn't matter how their domain is rated because we're only competing against one location. That's a 6 with only one referring domain, and it's not even a do follow. So it's going to be super easy for you guys to beat these guys. They've got 13 keywords and they're getting 23 people to this location area. And that's because they are actually ranking on the first page of Google. And the last piece of this is your Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search here and won't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all of those leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there are several factors. Most important is citations. That's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp. So you need a lot more than your competition. And when you follow all of these tips that I have provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area, using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and would really love it if you could give me feedback on what you thought of it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call. The number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.